Hey y'all, this is your good old Skywatcher here today. How y'all doing? Y'all doing alright today? Hope so. Alright. Yeah, of course I'm doing okay today. Checking in on today's sky. Today is June the 26th, 2024. It's Wednesday. It's about 5:30 p.m. Got clear skies. Very windy today. We're at 71 degrees. And a very good breeze. Thought I'd drop something. Yeah, the moon was setting back towards the southeast this morning. So I won't probably see the moon till tomorrow morning. The sun was setting way back, the moon was setting way back there. Yeah. Don't see no moon now. Like I said, I won't see it till tomorrow morning. The sun is going to be setting a little bit towards the northwest, right over here, while the moon will be setting over here, southeast, south to southeast. All right, it's strange. Sorry. Hope y'all are enjoying your day today. Better get out there and enjoy that fresh air. That's 71 degrees with a very good breeze. It's coming from the northwest. Sky's pretty quiet today. Not much to say, but get out and enjoy your day. Alright. Checking in on the sun. Let me know if y'all see anything weird. Anyway, post your comments below. I think this will be it for now. Last shot of the sun for the day. Alright, post your comments below. This will be it. Keep your eyes in the skies. I shall talk to y'all later.